Okay, dear student, I think we started salary computation under heads of income in direct tax. Today also we are going to continue with the same chapter. We started solving questions, full length question based on salary computation. Am I right? In salary computation, we started solving full length question or not? Let us give you a reference for it. What was the last question which we did? I think question number 6, page number 85. Dear student, have we done question number 6, page number 85 of your textbook? Please let me know. Supriya, you are not regular in the lecture. Yes. Yes, I know. I know we did. So it was full length question. So today, 100% all of you must have well prepared for the session for computation of salary income. So today also it will be full length question of salary computation, what we had during last lecture. And we will go as it is, what we had earlier. We will read the question, we will mark whether it is taxable or not. And once we'll get to know that their taxability, just one second. So today also we'll be having computation of full length question based on salary income. And let us go for the next question of our textbook. Today we'll be doing question number 7. Question number 7, page number 86. So you can write down in your notebook wherever you are solving this question. We'll be dealing with question number 7. And it will be page number 86. Okay. Now, as per the previous practice, today also I'm going to ask, and you have to tell me whether it is taxable, not taxable, etc., etc. First and foremost, dear student, here it is given that up to 31st August 8,000, and since 1st September 9,000. What it is, why it is, what kind of legal language or tax language of salary is called part of the year some different salary and part of the year some different salary. We did 2 questions based on this. What was that? What was that? Can I have your answer, please? We did 2 questions based on that. This is known as salary scaling. Every year your scale will increase. Yes, we did 2 questions based on this. These were 2 questions. Yes or no? Part of the year different salary and part of the year different salary. Part of the year different salary and part of the year different salary. It is obvious. Okay. Is this clear? That is why these small things we have got it done early before jumping to the full length question. Yes or no? Thank you. Now let us proceed. So here in last question we did multiplied by 12 and all. What we need to do here? Can we do multiply by 12? 8,000 multiply by 12. Can we do that? No. Absolutely right. So 8,000 to be multiplied by how many months? 8,000 to be multiplied. Thank you everyone. Shubham, Priyal, Reena, everyone. Ritesh. Thank you very much for the right answer. Bhaskar, Saurabh, Devang, Astha. Yes, it should be multiplied by 5 months. And remaining 7 months we will be multiplying by. Remaining 7 months we will be multiplying by 9,000. Superb. Shubham, Priyal and all. Okay. Now next, dearness allowance taxable or not? Dearness allowance taxable or not? Dearness allowance. Superb. Taxable. And now this time we'll be multiplying by. We'll be multiplying by 12. Why? Because sir, per month detail is given. Next, city compensatory allowance. City compensatory allowance. 1000 per month. Taxable or not? Taxable or not? CCA. Taxable. Absolutely. Additional expense for city life. Additional expense for city life. Additional expense for city life. 1300 per month. Not concern, not concern. What expenditure he will do, it is not none of our business. We are here to compute his income, not the expenditure. Okay? Yes. Expenses and all we will take care in your business profession and other your other sources, etc. or capital gain. That time we will see about the expenses. But for salary only income is important. Okay. Next, children's education allowance. Next is children's education allowance. Taxable or not? Yes, thank you, Subham, Ankur, Priyal, Devang. An amount of exemption under section. Amount of exemption under section. Amount of exemption under section. Amount of exemption. No, 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 no. It's important. Amount of exemption. Yes, Saurav. Very right answer. Supriya, Ritesh, Reena, Priyal, Nana, Reena tak. Okay. Yes, it is exempted under section 10, subsection 14. Similarly, children's education, children's hostel expenditure allowance. Children's hostel expenditure allowance. Taxable. Again, exemption under section. Exemption under section. No. Children's education. Children's education. Please refer. Be careful before putting your answer, Ankit and Supriya. So children's education, children's hostel, all are under 1014. Uniform, overtime, everything were there. Okay. So similarly, 1014. If it would not have been given, then children's education 100 rupees per child per month, maximum to 2 children. Hostel expenditure 300 per child per month, maximum for 2 children. Okay, allowance to commute between resident to office, 1000 per month. Taxable or not? Yes. So everyone, very good. Today everyone is participating. Very good. Taxable. And again, exemption is given 9600. So to that extent, we will deduct. To that extent, we will deduct under section 1014. Superb. Yes, your 13A is coming here. What was that? House rent allowance. House rent allowance. Taxable or not? House rent allowance. Taxable or not? Yes, taxable. Thank you, Shubham, Tejas, Ankit, Devang, Astha, Saurabh. And again, exemption is given 1013A. So that much we will deduct. Next, fixed medical allowance. Fixed medical allowance 2000 per month. Taxable or not? Fixed medical allowance. Taxable or not? Yes, taxable. Amount spent on medical expenses. 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 Not concern. Superb. Not concern. Very good. Next. Entertainment allowance. Next is entertainment allowance. Taxable. Absolutely right. Where we will get the deduction. Again, amount spent on entertainment. Amount spent on entertainment. Not concerned. Superb. But we will get the deduction of entertainment allowance. Will be absolutely correct. Not concerned. Will we get the deduction of entertainment allowance? If yes, under which section? If yes, under which section? Absolutely right, Ritesh. Absolutely right. Devang, Ritesh. Under section 16, subsection 2. But being this is a private company, not a government employee, he will not avail the benefit. If he would have been government employee, he would have got it. Is this clear? Okay, fine. Like previous question only. Next, project allowance. Project allowance. Taxable or not? Yes, absolutely right. Taxable. Multiply by 12. OT, overtime allowance. Overtime allowance. Absolutely right. Taxable. Paternity allowance on the birth of third child. Taxable. Yes. Travel allowance or tour allowance. 23,000. Travel allowance or tour allowance. Very good, Joha. Just refer the table which is there for allowance under section 10, subsection 14. Yes, it is taxable. Amount spent on office purpose. To that extent, it will be deductible. So, taxable will be only 2,000. Motor car allowance or motorcycle allowance, 2,000 per month. Again taxable. Amount spent for office purpose, yes, deductible. So again 2,000 per month multiply by 12, 24,000 minus 23,000. Yes, so 1,000 will be taxable. Next and last item, he paid professional tax 4,000 during 1920 and 1,000 is outstanding on 31st March. So how much he will, where it will come, professional tax? Will it be taxable? Will it be taxable, professional tax? Will it be taxable? No. No, not at all. It is paid. It is not an income. But yes, he will avail the deduction. Where? 16.3. Absolutely right answer. 16.3 deduction. Now tell me, deduction will be 5,000, 4,000 or 3,000? Yes, it will get reduced. Deduction will be 4,000, 3,000 or 5,000. Tell me. 4,000. Outstanding will not be allowed. Outstanding will not be allowed. Okay. Calculate the taxable salary or income from salary. Very simple. Now let us solve this question one by one. So what we will do again, we will go for same format. Question number 7, page number 86. Name of SSC Kuldeep. Legal status individual. Residential status RNOR. Resident and ordinary. By default, for every question, we'll write like this. Computation of net taxable salary, PAN number, previous year and assessment year. Kindly make the format, then we'll proceed further. Complete your format and let me know. I hope format is over. Let us go one by one. First, basic salary. You stated taxable 8,000 per month for 5 months. So how much it will be? Yes, thank you, Reena. 40,000. Really 40,000. Next, for 7 months it will be 9,000. So 63. Absolutely right. Reena, Priyal, Devang, Subham, Astha, Ankur. So total 1,03,000. Total outer column 1,03,000. Okay. Your 95% client will have this kind of salary with the scaling. Every year they will withdraw two types of salary. Part of the month, part of the year, different salary. Even for me, it is same. Okay. Our salary is, enhanced in the June, paid in July. So April to June different, July onwards different. Dearness allowance. Next is dearness allowance. How much? Yes, thank you, Siddhant, Devang, Priyal, Supriya. Yes, it is 24,000. It is 24,000. Kindly write down everyone. Kindly write down everyone. Next, CCA, City Compensatory Allowance. CCA, 1,000 per month. Yes, absolutely right. 12,000. CCA, absolutely right. 20, 12 month with 1,000 rupees, 12,000. Please write along with me. If you are lacking behind, let me know, sir. Wait. Otherwise, you will not understand. Next, children's education allowance, 200 per month, 2,400. And exemption is also 2,400. So, children's education allowance, 2,400. Exemption under section 1014 also 2,000. Yes, finally nil. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, bachcha log. Okay. Absolutely right answer. Okay. Very good. Next. Children's hostel expenditure allowance. 300 per month. Children's hostel expenditure allowance. 300 per month. So it will be 3,600. Exemption is also given 3,600. So finally answer will be nil. See, you cannot take, children's education for two children. Sorry, for two children and 7,200 and then 3,600 negative. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. Tax maximum benefit you can get the nil value. You cannot ask government कि भाई now it is minus 3,600. See, as I told you, hostel expenditure, actually, if it is not, it would not have been given. So 300 per child per month, maximum for two children. So कितना हो जाता था? It would have been, just for your reference, 7,200. और फिर यहाँ पे क्या आता था? Minus 3,600. That is not allowed at all. So if you don't have, you can have that much of benefit. You cannot show your salary income negative over there. Is this clear? Okay. So if you are not getting that much, only you will get. Thank you very much. Next. Allowance to commute between office to resident, 1,000 per month. So how much? 12,000. And expense exemption 9,600. Yes. So 12,000 minus 9,600. Yes. Thank you, Shubham, Reena, Varsha, Devang. It is 2,400. Next, Bhaskar, Ankur, Ritesh. House rent allowance. House rent allowance 4,000 per month, 48,000. Exemption 3,200. So taxable, sorry, 32,000. Taxable 16,000. Yes, we will write the same. 48. Now here it is 1013A. Yes, this 16,000. Medical allowance. Medical allowance. Fully taxable. Fully taxable. Okay, 24,000. Entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance. 12,000. Fully taxable. Absolutely right, students. All of you are getting me right answer. Thank you very much. Thank you very much till here. Next, project allowance. 2,000 per month. Yes, 24,000 is absolutely right answer. Okay. Next, project allowance. हो गया. Overtime allowance. 12,000. Yes. No, 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 no. It is per annum only. Don't multiply by 12. Siddhant. Until unless per month is given, don't multiply. Yes. OT. It is per annum. Yes. Then paternity allowance. 20,000. Fully taxable. Yes. Nowadays, along with maternity, there is a paternity leave also because of nuclear family. It is the term of employment. As well as they are giving allowances also. Maternity also and paternity also. But everything should be there on your terms of employment. Next, travel allowance or tour allowance 23,000 and amount spent 21,000. Yes, 23 I will write as it is. Deduction. Yes, 21. Absolutely right answer. Absolutely right. And taxable is only 2,000. Very good. Very, very good. Next, motor car allowance. Motor car allowance 2,000. Yes, 24,000. And 20, amount spent for office purpose 23. That much we will deduct. Yes. So taxable will be 1,000. Thank you, Subham, Supriya, Ritesh, Varsha, Siddhant, Ankur for your right answer. Yes. Priyal, Bhaskar, Reena. So we have taken all income, salary income of Mr. Kuldeep. So I will take the gross salary now. So get me the gross salary. Get me the gross salary. Yes, I started getting the answer. 2,52,400, 2,52,400. Thank you, Subham, Ankit, Reena, Ritesh, Shruti, Devang, Supriya. Thank you very much for the right answers. I don't know, right or wrong. Let me see answer. Absolutely right. Astha, Siddharth, Saurav, Supriya, and Ankur. Now the story of deduction. Now the story of deduction. Story of deduction. Under section 16. Which deduction we will get? Under section 16. Which deduction we will get? Which deduction we will get? First, 16.1. Standard deduction. Yes. And how much will be the amount? Standard, absolutely right, Devang. The answer is yes, Ritesh, Ankur, everyone is right. The answer is 50,000. Again, entertainment allowance, he will not get like previous question. He is not a government employee. Yes, it will be nil. Professional tax, you have very rightly stated. How much it was? 4,000. Absolutely correct. So total deduction 54,000. So the taxable amount, yes, 198,400. Those who have not written can take down. Those who have not written can take down. From here we started the question and here we have ended the question. This is your final answer. I hope you must have understanding now salary computation. Understanding, dear student, please let me know. Are you getting? Thank you, Priyal. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you, Ankur. Thank you, Yatharth. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, Devang. So few more question we need to do the practice because it is very less number, only 10%. Thank you, Pratik. So no worries, you'll find this kind of question only. So we got this answer. They have spent note also. क्यों लिया क्यों नहीं डिडक्ट किया. So again we will do few more question. तो आपका फंडामेंटल बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. Okay? Yes or no? Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Kaveri.